Hello students, welcome back to KV Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Ismaria, your chemistry teacher. Today we are going to discuss about strength of acids or base and pH scale. We know that acids and bases can be distinguished by using indicators. And after the dilution of acids or base, hydrogen ion or hydroxide ion decrease in the solution. We can find the concentration of hydrogen ion or hydroxide ion by using universal indicator. Universal indicator is the mixture of many indicators which show different colors of different concentration of hydroxide ion and hydrogen ion. Today mainly we are going to discuss about pH. What is pH? In German, P stands for potence, means power, and H stands for hydrogen. So, in a solution, what is the power of hydrogen? That is known as pH. pH ranges from 0 to 14. The pH value 7 is neutral, less than 7 is acidic, and more than 7 is basic. In a solution, if pH is more than 7, it is basic solution, alkaline solution, while if the pH is less than 7, it is acidic solution. With pH scale, we find some conclusion that acids have pH less than 7. Neutral solution has pH 7. Alkaline solution have pH more than 7. If pH increase, acidity increase. If pH decrease, acidity increase, and if pH increase, acidity decrease. So, importance of pH in our daily life. The pH has the value in our life also. First of all, pH in our digestive system. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which is very helpful in the digestion of food. But at the time of indigestion, stomach produces very high quantity of HCl, and due to this, in our stomach acidity occurs, and there is cause pain and irritation in our stomach. To find the solution of this disease, we use some antacids. Antacids are basic in nature, and after taking antacids, it neutralizes the excess amount of hydrochloric acid in our stomach and give us rest. After that, pH change lead to tooth decay. When we take meal, some amount of sugar and fat deposits in our teeth. Our teeth is made of enamel, which is white phosphorus. Due to sugar and fat, some acids are produced in mouth and that decay the tooth. When we brush the teeth with toothpaste, toothpastes are basic in nature and they neutralize the acidic things in our mouth and prevent the tooth decay. Third one is self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. We have already learned that bees and ants contain formic acid. When they bite us, it causes irritation. To cure this, we rub baking soda. Baking soda is basic in nature and it neutralizes the formic acid and give us rest with irritation. Fourth one is nature provides neutralization option. In nature also there are many things which neutralize one another. In wild there is a nettle. It is a herbaceous plant which leaves have stinging hair. When they sting us, it causes pain in the sting area. This is due to the formic acid present in the sting hair of nettle plant. The cure is to rub the leaves of dock plant on the affected area. Dock plant contains basic material which neutralize the formic acid. After that, soil pH and plant growth. Different soils have different pH values, and plants also require different pH value for their growth. For example, if the soil is acidic, we can add calcium oxide or lime in the soil, which is basic in nature, and decrease the pH value. So these are the things of pH we discussed today. The next other things will be discussed in next video. Thank you.